Unboxing this Travelstar Microfibre sleeping bag Inlay travel sleeping bag various colors. I only ordered one color and let's take a look at this color. I had a very similar one before. This is what you need if you go into a hostel and you don't want to pay for the linen they offer you. So you just can get your own one and then you can sleep basically with the bed sheets they have. But this kind of acts as a travel bed sheet, you can say. So you can use their blanket and their pillows, but you have your own linen with you. You could also say you have your own bed sheets with you. So this now is a little bigger than the one I had before. And this is what a very similar old one looks like. It's basically a very big sheet. You can have it as a sleeping bag. You can also fold it. And there is also this thing for the pillow, which you have, which you can use to insert then a pillow and then just sleep on it. I use this also for multiple nights in the summer because I live in Europe and the summers get quite hot. But the zipper on the old one didn't work any longer, so I got this newer one. Let's see what it actually looks like. And also let's see if it is, in terms of the functionality, very similar. Now, unfortunately, already I am seeing that this might be not the most durable material. As I begin to tear a little bit here, the things that hold this together, the sewings, seem to not hold together that well. The other bags seem to be a little bit better. I already have trouble getting it out of here, and I also cannot pull anywhere properly without the risk of tearing it apart. So this is already maybe not ideal. This is now 30 seconds later. I am still struggling to get it out. I mean, not ideal. Maybe I just use the old bag because I still have the old bag. Now, this is what it looks like. The material is a little different. The older one is a little bit more similar to silk, one could say, and this one seems to be a little more similar to, well, I think just this plasticky material. The Amazon listing says it's microfiber. I actually searched for years now for a replacement for this one because the zipper doesn't work any longer and I still can use it, but I wanted one that is fully functional because I wanted to be able to just pack my bags and travel to maybe another city and just have all the things I need. Now, this here, in comparison to the other one, does have these Velcro fasteners, and there might be a downside or an upside to this. The downside to this is that you now have to fasten them all individually. So there is one Velcro fastener here at the top, and then we have another one, and then we have another one. And this is just for the pillow here. So you can unzip the pillow apparently. If I go back a little bit, then you can basically unzip this here, but you cannot unzip the rest. So the rest is kind of fixed. Similar to a normal sleeping bag. The old one I had does fold up fully, basically. So it folds up into this gigantic bed sheet, which you still can use as a bed sheet. And then you can just fold it into half and then just zip it up. So the zipper here runs across this edge here, and then you can just zip it up and have a gigantic sheet. Or if it's too hot, you can also just open it up again. This seems to be not possible with this newer one, which already is dawning on me that I might regret my choice here. There is also a minor branding here, which you can see from the other side also. And then again, back to here, we have 3 Velcro fasteners, which you have to get aligned and then also to Velcro fasten. So 1, so now we have the wrong one. Let's try the other one. Let's try 2, and then the other one. So this is already quite a process, whereas the zipper is maybe already aligned and you just zip it up once with one movement. So then we are still missing the third one, which already now tells me that this might not have been the best of all ideas. And this one goes below the insert for the pillow, and then you can flip over the insert for the pillow. But this also now means that there is not really an option where this can basically not be that functional, because even if the Velcro fasteners don't work over time, you can still have basically the bottom of this as the bottom of this. This also means you cannot use it as a full bed sheet like the old one, and also the material feels slightly different. I think I might sweat in this more, whereas in this one, because it's also so silky, I don't really sweat, even if I just have it in summer. And I found that if I sleep in summer on or with this thing instead of a blanket, that I cannot sleep completely without any blanket at all. There seems to be a habit that prevents me from doing this. Like, if I have a blanket on, then it's time to sleep. If I don't have a blanket on, then maybe not. So by having this as a very lightweight blanket for the summer, it basically almost adds no heating in addition, or insulating. And so I have this usually on, and it seems to work, whereas a normal blanket would be too hot. So I will now try this for the next few nights, but there is also an argument to be made that one of these at least should go into my travel bag, because I want to have my travel bag kind of always ready. So for this reason I might consider still using this as my bed sheets in summer, and the other one actually as then my travel bag. In terms of volume, I think the newer one is slightly more, so I can squish this old one probably a little more than the newer one, which might also be the reason this bag is actually a little bit bigger. But I just couldn't get the old one again, so I am stuck now with this here.